People tell barndominium clients this all the time. Just don't call it a barndo. And every time I hear it, I literally cringe. Barndominium projects don't fail because of a word. They fail because the project was never structured correctly. Changing the name doesn't fix design issues. It doesn't fix sequencing. It doesn't fix builder approvals or underwriting issues. All it does is push the problems down the road until they show up louder, more expensive, and harder to unwind, if not impossible. This is what happens when opinions get mistaken for expertise and shortcuts get confused with strategy. The solution isn't hiding what you're building. The solution is structuring it correctly from the start. So keep in mind, clarity beats shortcuts. Structure beats spin. And experience beats internet advice every time. You know you want a Barndo. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.